Hey there folks, Happy New Year. As long as I scheduled everything right, this video should actually go up on New Year's Day on January 1st, 25. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how the chamfer tool works. And I hope that you understand obviously why I didn't upload anything last week, because that video would have went up on Christmas Day. So happy late holidays, depending on what you guys celebrate. There will be IRL engineering video coming out sometime at the end of this month, hopefully the last Wednesday of this month. But anyways, we're going to be messing around with this block here, and we're going to be learning how to use the chamfer tool. The chamfer tool is going to be this little thing up here. If you don't have it on your toolbar, which you probably wouldn't if you're just starting out with a new Fusion account, you're going to click this little modify drop down and go, it's going to be right underneath fillet, and hit chamfer. So this tool is very similar to the fillet tool, it's just a little bit more sloped. This happens almost every time that I go to film one of these. Well, I hope the block that I used is still there. I'm gonna have it available if you guys want to mess with stuff. It'll be uploaded to my printables account, which I will link in the description of this video, but also it is in my video description as well. And you're gonna come over here to your chamfer tool, and it's very similar to the fillet tool like I was saying, but it's just a little bit harsher. So there's equal distance, two distance, distance, and an angle. Most of the time I just use the basic equal distance, but I'll show you guys the other ones as well. So you just select an edge and then you drag and drop it. This is really good for creating ramps. It's very useful for stuff like that. If you were to take it and use the distance and an angle, this would be on a longer segment. You'd go in, you'd select the angle at which it ramps. So this is if you want a really harsh edge that you don't want to go in and manually sketch out yourself, because it's much quicker. You could do that. If we go in here, we're going to select a different edge and look at, this one, and select two distances. So actually we're going to come up here and select this edge, chamfer on two distances. So it goes down and then it goes in. So it's very similar to the angle version of the tool, except you are controlling the angle by how far you drag and drop. So if you don't have a specific angle in mind that you want to have, and you're just kind of playing around, you just can kind of do that. So yeah, that's pretty much how you use the chamfer tool in Fusion.